My name is Dr. Akhil Shahani. I'm the Managing Director of the Shahani Group of Institutions. The Shahani Group essentially comprises of three main verticals. One is our colleges, which are under the brand name Tadammal Shahani Center for Management, TSAFM. We're currently in 5 cities and expanding quite rapidly across India. The second part of us is the online platform Ask Careers, where we provide courses online and with hybrid learning using our Ask Benchmarks model. And the third part of our group is Ask Talent Services, where we take the students that we train and place them in various companies around India. When COVID happened, we shifted to a pure online model and we did not have the luxury of an offline classroom. So therefore, we had to mirror the offline classroom model via Zoom. That means in Zoom, we did not just have normal lectures. We made sure that the student had understood the content online beforehand through the Ask Careers app. But when they came to the Zoom class, we made sure there were discussions going on within the Zoom class. We made sure they broke up into smaller rooms and had group projects there. We made sure there's simulations. So as much as possible, we mirror the offline classroom experience to the online Zoom environment by making sure that it was interactive so that the students actually assimilated through group learning and through understanding through experiential learning.
I didn't have enough experience about virtual classroom before joining this institute. But I was most worried about that. Will I get to understand how they will teach, and will I get to understand it? I didn't have enough experience.
In this course, in this 1 month, with the content which we have, because we don't tell them only one word, we tell them more than 3 words for one word, and we keep pushing our students till the end, because I believe that till the end, till the exam, till the final assessment, till the interview, students should be pushed. It should be here. What is your name? Tell me about yourself. Why do you want to do this? So we keep pushing them till the end.
They do not have the basic idea about the sector they are interested in and the latest concepts about the industry. Because of this poor domain knowledge, a student lacks people management and negotiation skills. Due to this, a period of uncertainty sets, and the students are apprehensive of these problems they face in their careers.
But to be honest, the faculties, as I've told earlier, the faculty is so good and so professional. They always put forward to solve our queries. And so I didn't find any difficulties. I didn't find any difference between virtual classroom and the real classroom. So it was very nice.
The interview prep app that we've created basically develops the student to make sure that they're able to do well in a job interview in a purely online manner through giving them videos of examples of how to speak, how not to speak, along with practice videos that the student can create of their own. The academic team of the Shahani Group gets data from all the students onto a dashboard on their laptops, which is collected from the Ask Careers app. In the dashboard, they can actually see live how the student is performing in terms of, let's say, their understanding of the quiz results, their attendance, their proactiveness, their other aspects of their personality development. The key great value of the Ask dashboard, the data that we have, is that we can actually track how the students are performing throughout the program on a day-to-day basis.
Even when you go and appear for an interview, it's not 100% that you are going to know every answer. So apply your logic, and 80% of the times your logic works. So let's say there is a question which you have no clue about, right? Then you can either admit that, okay, I don't know this question, maybe give another question to me, or give it just a try, apply your logic, explain the logic to the interviewer. Even if your answer turns out to be wrong, he will still appreciate the logic that you put into it. So just keep that in mind.
I didn't have enough information about sales and marketing rather banking and insurance. But after joining this institute, I gained a lot of knowledge, and I advanced my skills in banking and insurance. So I think I developed a lot of interpersonal skills and communication skills. Also, to the great extent, and also boosted my lot of confidence as well. So getting an opportunity of doing such a valuable course was really beneficial for me. And then I got placed in Future Generali's insurance.
With the generous support of JP Morgan, the SAGE Foundation has been able to take students from underprivileged background, the sons of a rickshawala, daughter of a domestic help, within a 30 to 45 day period, train them in English, in selling skills, in banking knowledge to make sure they get high-paying jobs in the BFSI sector at salaries of around 25,000 rupees per month on an average. Over the last year and a half, we've trained around 5,000 of these underprivileged kids, and we've got a 90% placement rate, and all of them today are still doing well in their jobs and having fantastic careers and adding great support to their own families and building up their income levels for the families as well. It's a great model which we plan to expand across India over the next